Hello guys, today we are going to be making some slime and here's my friend Avery.
Hi.
So we're gonna be making the salt and the hand soap one. So what we're gonna do is
What you need is a container, something to mix in, something to mix with, and a container.
And then you need hand ornament. So we're gonna put 4 scoops. 4 squirts actually.
Okay.
One, two, three, 4. So hers is done.
Here's 4 scoops.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this side we're working on. This side is done.
So what you want to do is just want to start mixing. You just want to start mixing. Then you can stop mixing when it's all together like this. And then you want to get is some salt. We have packaged salt. And you want to just keep mixing. Okay, so then when you're done mixing and it looks all jiggly, then what you want to do is pick it up, you can scoop it up, then you can touch it. Okay. See, then I grab it. But you can freeze it if you would like to, but we choose not to.
Yeah.
Then it'll make our hands cold.
So, and then what we're gonna do after that, we're gonna put it in our container. Excuse me. Oh.
Why am I sweater? Who's yours? Here's yourself. And then, see? It'll turn out like that. But probably later on we're gonna freeze it. It depends. It depends if it's not playful. Well then what you do is put your cap on when you're done.
Wait, I still got some.
But if you want to freeze it, take the cap off.
Thanks. Ooh, that feels so good. It's so good to get out. And that will be our video today.
Bye.
Bye.